Good morning, it's Sunday, early Sunday morning. I figured I'd come out and get this progress report, inspection, whatever doohickey done. Because Monday's a busy day, and it's not a bad drive out here. The weather is starting to change. And this is kind of it's a ways up in the hills it's kind of at the end of an unimproved road. But it's a nice drive, nice Sunday drive. The sun's out. It's starting to get a little colder though. But let's see, let's go down in here. This is the back. They've got the moisture barrier going up here. They're going to be backfilling this. But down in here, there's some good stuff going on here. It's where the stairwell's going to be. In a good sized basement. Some windows. All right, let's go back around. Let's go inside. I do like this block home stuff. I bet it'd be really good for winter for keeping the heat in. Noise too. I bet it's a heck of a noise barrier, but I don't really think they're worried about noise out here. All right, let's go in. They've got the third floor up there. Let's see if there's access to it. There wasn't access to it last month. Well, or that I would go. All right. Still got the framework going on. It kind of seems like a puny header for that, but I guess that is just an entry closet. This is where the stairs are going to be. We were just there. There. All right. This is going to be the main living level here. Stole wife's Jeep again this morning. That's okay. Don't tell her. Okay. That's kind of it. This is the living area. There's, kind of access to that third floor up there by this ladder. I don't know if I want to be climbing up a ladder, being this far out on a Sunday morning. Nobody around to pick my fat ass up out of the basement, but I'm gonna go up there, see what we got. Yeah. All right. Not much to look at. Probably be getting the rafters and stuff on this before I come back out next time. But let's get down. Let's get down out of here. Let's go home. Okay. I presume next month the stairs will probably be in, the rafters will be up. Probably getting some rough plumbing and rough electrical going in. They've got the light thingamajiggers, and they got some paint on the walls. Looks like that's where they're going to route electrical. Oh, this is going to be a bathroom. No, this is laundry. There's a hole there. This is a laundry room right here. Let's look. What do we got here? This looks like this is going to be the kitchen. Let's see if I'm right. Well, they got the concrete in. They filled these in with concrete. This is okay. This, I think, is going to be the kitchen. This here, this is a large window with a large door opening. This is going to be the living room. Who thinks I'm wrong? Oh, right there, French doors. Let's see, there's some more lines on the wall there. That's where they're going to put the electrical in. There. There's a door gonna be here, but this is a pretty small room. Interesting. I don't know. This looks like a beam in the middle of the closet. I'm not sure. I'm interested to know what's going to happen here. We'll be back next month, I'm sure. Things will start to make sense. All right, we're going to get out of here. We're going to go home, get some breakfast. It's not even 9 a.m. yet, and I have an hour drive home. So, till next month.